Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of this module. In this tutorial today we will talk about how we can perform DOM based XSS in our testing environment. So let's get started. So our security level is low. Let's go to XSS DOM and please choose a language. Over here there are 4 languages: English, French, Spanish and German. Let's click English and select this one. As you can see over here, it is a get based request and default equal to English has been displayed over here in the URL. Now let's right click and view page source. Let's do Ctrl F and type English and hit enter. Okay, so English keyword is being reflected over here. Now let's try a simple XSS over here. And hence we are able to bypass this security level and able to perform DOM based XSS in low level security. Now let's change the security to medium and try the same. As you can see over here that there was no alert pop-up this time. Now let's check the view source and see what is it saying over here. As you can see over here, don't allow script tags. So if it see any script tag that is being injected over here, it will disallow it, will not provide us the alert box. So let's do one more thing and also check its page source. Let's type English. This time let's do one thing. Let's close option and select statement like this, and then let's apply a different payload. So let's close option first, then select. Now let's apply this payload svg onload equal to alert 1. Voila! We are able to bypass medium level security as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.